Hello everyone, welcome back to Sashi Shared, knowledgeable by sharing. .NET 3.0 was powerful, but .NET 3. Core 3.1 became the most trusted version. Why the companies stick to years? Let's see. Today we are going to talk about .NET Core 3.1, the version that made .NET Core stable, reliable, and enterprise ready. The .NET Core 3.0 amassed features like WPF, WinForm, C# 8, and performance improvements, and lot more. It was not LTS, it means not long-term support. So Microsoft was released the .NET 3.1 as an LTS version. Microsoft .NET Core 3.1 was released on December 2019. Key focus was stable, long-term support, bug fixes, and improvements. It's basically a refined and production-ready version of 3.0. Long-term support, LTS, the biggest highlight in this. Support for 3+ years, security updates, enterprise reliability. That's why companies trusted it. Improved performance, faster runtime, better memory management, and optimized for ASP.NET Core performance. ASP.NET Core enhancements, better routing, Blazor improvements, gRPC stability, perfect for modern web apps. Desktop stability like WPF and WinForms, more stable support like WPF and WinForms, now suitable for enterprise desktop ready apps. Its better tooling and CLI also improved, like debugging, CLI tools, developer productivity, everything. This version became the most favorite version of widely adopted in enterprise. Long-term projects builds like 3.1. Stable production environment. Many companies stayed on this version for years. Still some limitations. That's why the .NET 5 become the next. We will let you know how in our next video. But for stability, it was the best choice. After the transformation of one platform, it's more reliable and master. If you like and share and subscribe this video, please subscribe to Sashi. Thank you.